Thanks, Elise. So the latest advisory was issued just 45 minutes ago. This is the 4 a.m. advisory. We'll have another one at 7 a.m. So if you're watching us yesterday morning compared to this morning, this actually changed later in the day yesterday, that it went from a subtropical storm to a tropical storm, which just means it's taking on those tropical characteristics, getting all that fuel from the ocean. And what we have with this advisory that came out at 4 a.m. is 70-mile-per-hour winds. So very close to reaching that Category 1 hurricane status, and expected to do that a little bit later today. And you can see that here on the track map as it goes over that far northern portion of the Bahamas. Now, even though landfall is not going to happen until early Thursday morning, notice just past midnight, 1 a.m. there, Florida's going to start to feel the effects of it today. So no, that's just the center of the storm. So that means there's rain bands, there's wind outside of that. So they're already going to be feeling those effects for Wednesday. This red color right here, those indicate those hurricane warnings that are in place, all the blue tropical storm warnings, because it's going to go across the Florida Peninsula and then curve back up through southern portions of Georgia and then take off through the Carolinas and up to the mid-Atlantic states. So what does that mean for us here in the Tennessee Valley? Well, we're going to be looking at rain from Nicole for our area, particularly Thursday night through Friday morning and the first part of Friday afternoon. So here's the look on the current clouds and radar map. You can see that circulation right there. Not as organized looking, again, because this is a tropical storm compared to what we had with Hurricane Ian. For our local area, though, notice nothing here. So we do have gorgeous weather expected for us on this Wednesday. So clear skies right now and really staying that way all day long. It's going to be really nice outside. So as we look at our futurecast, you can see clouds to our south today, to the east, clouds to the west. We're kind of squeezed right in between with abundant sunshine for your Wednesday afternoon highs today, generally in the low 70s. There are those effects that will already be ongoing Wednesday, and then this is showing that landfall time around 1 a.m. on Thursday morning, that rain and wind, the strongest part of that pushing ashore. What does that mean for us locally on Thursday? Well, Thursday during the daytime, we're going to have increasing clouds. There's a very slim chance Thursday afternoon we may have a spotty shower, but overall, your daytime hours on Thursday looking to be dry. It'll be after sunset, so generally after 6 p.m. that rain starts to push into our area. And we'll even start to pick up moderate to heavy rain bands even Thursday night before midnight. That's going to continue overnight and through into Friday morning. So look at that bulk of rain. Now we can still see a little bit of fluctuation east to west, but certainly it is looking like we're going to get some significant rainfall right here in the Tennessee Valley through Friday afternoon. Then comes that cold front that we've been talking about all week. That's going to sweep through, really push and help push off that moisture further off to the east. Now on Saturday, on the backside of that, we know we have cooler temperatures. There's also looks like there's going to be a small chance, especially Saturday morning, that we could get an isolated shower. That's going to be no big deal compared to Thursday night and Friday with that rain, but I did want to let you know about that. And then clouds clearing out more later in the day on Saturday. So how much rain are we talking about? I'm going to show you two different models here, mainly just to kind of hone in so you can see where we still have that kind of east-west fluctuation that is possible. This one has it pushed a little bit further to the west. The next one has it pushed a little bit further to the east, but what you're going to notice with those numbers, a lot of those around 2-3 inches showing up. So easily, I think on average 1 to 3 inches across your area, maybe even some localized spots higher than that, just depending if we get some stronger bands. But I think that 1 to 3 inch mark is going to be a good average to expect for Thursday night through the day on Friday. Now temperatures right now, again, today, no rain at all in the forecast. It is a cool start to the day, especially if you're east of Chattanooga. Look at all those 40s, 42 degrees currently in Murphy, 53 though in the city of Chattanooga. As we look at our hour-by-hour forecast for the day today, clear skies all day long. So really that abundant bright blue sky and sunshine for the day today. 51 degrees at 7 a.m. We're up to 65 at 11 a.m. So starting to get some milder air as you approach your midday, and then really comfortable for the afternoon. 73 at 3 o'clock, 70 degrees at 5 p.m. We're going to have low humidity all day long. So if you can, get outside at some point on this Wednesday and enjoy it. So 73, beautiful, sunny, just a light breeze from the southeast, generally less than 5 miles per hour today. Tonight, 48, some high clouds, so some initial high clouds from Nicole reaching our area tonight, but overall it's not going to have a huge impact, so it will still be a cool night ahead. And then tomorrow, 72, increasing clouds, with that evening rain really arriving. Winds from the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Once more, I mentioned that cold front coming through on Friday. You're going to see that big difference again for the weekend. 57 for that high on Saturday, 49 on Sunday, 53 on Monday, 50 on Tuesday. So yes, that cold air, it's not just for like a day or two, it's going to continue into next week as well. So as we look at our 7-day forecast, today, truly a beautiful day. Thursday, it's not going to be bad during the daytime. You just have to watch out for Thursday night. Then you want to go ahead and have that raincoat handy. Veterans Day on Friday. If we have any parades in the morning, those are probably going to be pretty yucky. If we have a parade that's happening in the afternoon, a little bit better chances that we'll have some clearing at that point, and then just cool temperatures for your weekend.